this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Renault Kangoo, stock on the 7040. It's ran from the 7th 2016 to the 2nd 2022. It has an X61 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the X61 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror. Left hand tail light. Right rear barnyard door. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear door one dent. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Stereo mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.